Hi guys, my name is Naem. So today I want to share with you about our artificial grass. So there are 3 types of artificial grass to be choose from. So jom kita tengok. So the first one is balu. As you can see, our balu artificial grass is in apple green color. And the density of balu is about 15,000 stitches per meter square, which makes this artificial grass is the thinnest among others. So the second one is spruce. As you can see here, spruce is more to dark green colored, and the density of spruce is 16,000 stitches per meter square, which is thicker than balu. So the last one is premium. As you can see, premium is in olive green colored, and the density of premium artificial grass is about 18,000 stitches per meter square, which make it the thickest among these 3. So which one do you think suits your garden more? If you need our advice, do contact us now for free quotation and consultation. Bye! Tak nak apa-apa kan?